I just wanted to share my opinion on the Garmin HRM Pro Plus. I bought this heart rate monitor to monitor my activities. I'm not a professional athlete. I just wanted to have something more reliable than my Garmin watch to track my heartbeat. So here are 3 things I liked about using it. First of all, it was very easy to fit on my chest. It took me 2 sessions to actually find a perfect fit, and then I didn't had to adjust it the next times. This band is highly adjustable, so it's very easy to fit it comfortably. Another thing, and this is a big one, why I liked this is that I was able to record and track my activities without me having to wear my watch. Sometimes I don't like wearing my watch while I'm running. So I can simply put the strap on, start the activity the same way as usual, leave my watch at home, and simply wear the strap, and it will record up to 18 hours, which is more than enough. Then when you come back home, both of these will sync the data and you'll have access just in a few minutes to everything that has been recorded by this heart rate monitor. And finally, the last thing that I really appreciated about it is that you don't need to learn how to use it. You just strap it on your chest and then start your activity the same way as you were doing before. Nothing new about this. This unit doesn't have any buttons here. I know you see some icons, but these are not buttons. You just start and stop your activity using the watch. You don't have to think about learning how to use it and what to do and what not. It's a very seamless integration in my workout. So this was it. I highly recommend it if you want to have a more reliable heart rate reading than your Garmin watch, although this is not bad, but yeah, if you want something precise, this is the way to go. Just don't forget that before using it, you need to apply just a bit of water on the 2 electrodes on the back, the way they say here, to have an even more accurate reading.